Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about VVS Finance and share some update and development from the team. And I did my last videos talking about Kronos, ID, IGO on VVS Finance, and since then it's a lot of announcements made from the team, and their VVS Gotchi game is launched. That's why I want to share it with you guys. And before I start, I really want to say thank you for watching me. It's more and more people joining my channel, so thank you guys a lot for all your support. I really appreciate it. And as I mentioned, VVS Gotchi is now live, and you could start playing this game. It is a game with using miner moles, their NFT collection, which they're using for boosting rewards for farms, mines, and using their DeFi platform. So I did also a couple of videos already talking about the miner moles. I did show mine, and now they did announce this game. I highly encourage you to test it, connect your wallet, just try how do you like it, and know more about this game. And they put a lot of information in their doc section, so it's also good to go through it, check actually about the team page, the quest, the leaderboard, and they did actually even how to play kind of tutorial video explaining what are the steps you need to do. So at least let me share something from it.
Ultimately, the more points your moles earn, the more rewards you earn on your VBS boosted farms. Are you ready to start the adventure with your miner moles? First, go to the VVS Gotchi page and connect your wallet. You can find the Wallet Connect icon on our drop-down menu. Next, head over to the team page. Here, you can add miner moles to your team. You can see all the miner moles available in your wallet and choose up to 5 miner moles to join your team. Once you've chosen your members, click Continue, and now you're ready to take them on adventures. Head to the quest page and scroll down to the daily work section. There will be various quests for your team to embark on to earn EXP. For example, you can earn EXP by completing a swap on VVS.
It's like a couple of seconds more, but anyway, I just think that it's better to try it yourself, especially if you have them all already. And if not, it is also like minted network is available for buying one. If you want to pick one, I will also put the link in the description below with minted network collection. I think it's a great announcement from the team, and good that they're working on some development and making in production new things. So great that they're making a lot of updates during the bear market. And the second news I wanted to share with you is a partnership with Veno Finance, and as they say in the tweet, we are thrilled to share that we have tied down with VVS Finance to be our launchpad partner. So it seems that it's another IGO coming to VVS Finance, and I also want to learn more about this project. I will definitely go through their social media, learn more about them, and then do separate video about them. It's cool that more Kronos projects are launching, and they're using the VVS Finance as IGO platform as launchpad, and all their IDOs were live on VVS Finance. I were talked about it, so it's going to be the next one for me for sure. And another one good to mention is the announcement of the VBS Staking Utility, the new wave of it, which is going to be updated on next Wednesday, January 11th. They did another Medium article on this. I will also put the link in the description below with all the details. So if you have them all, if you are staking it, if you are part of VVS Gotchi, so I highly encourage you to learn more about miner malls ranking systems. There are 3 tiers described in here with like the badges used, like miner god, miner master, junior master, about the rarity of those malls. So it's all good information to go through. And there is 3 tiers, and I mentioned miner god, it's like top 30 ranked malls within same rarity level. Tier 2, those are miner masters, middle 30-70% rank malls within same rarity level. And tier 3, bottom 30% ranked malls with rarity levels. And I think it's good for people who play in a lot, because it's easier to understand. I'm not that in games, so kind of a lot of information to you to understand, like from the very beginning. But cool that we have this NFT staking, and they also share this quick recap. So each NFT can be only boosting 1 farm. A maximum of 5 NFT can be staked per farm. A maximum of 2 farms can be boosted per users, and something else. So the link is also going to be in the description of the video, as well as some frequently asked questions I highlighted in here. And also VVS Finance price is actually looks quite good for now. I mean, it's not up like that much for people who are considering buying more. For me personally, I bought a lot in the beginning, so I'm good to DCA in this case. And what I wanted to highlight in here, I was actually surprised seeing that VVS Finance is ranking 231st place in all the cryptocurrencies. So it's actually a very good ranking in my opinion, and it shows that the project is strong. It is top DEX on Kronos, and Kronos, it is in the first 10 blockchains for now. So far so good. It just takes time to build, and I strongly believe that we have some good future, and one day bull market is going to be started. And it is actually all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.